Hello, rabbit. Voila! Cool trick, right? It's time to multiply phonmaticians. Today, we will be multiplying numbers by 2 using the repeated addition method. This means counting a given number of objects 2 times, or adding the same number of objects to itself. We have 3 beautiful stars. Multiplying them by 2 means adding another set of 3 stars. This gives us 2 sets of 3 stars. Counting all together gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Super! Now, let's multiply 7 happy faces by 2. Cute happy faces. Can I see your happy face? Here's mine. Let's multiply by 2. Multiplying 7 happy faces by 2 means adding 2 sets of 7 happy faces, which will give us 2 sets of 7 happy faces. Counting all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 happy faces. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. See, it's easy. I'm glad you are enjoying the lesson. It is important to learn your multiplication tables as they help you to multiply faster. Now, can you multiply 5 heart shapes by 2? Multiplying 5 heart shapes by 2 means adding another set of 5 heart shapes, giving us 2 sets of 5 heart shapes. Adding all together gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 heart shapes. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 2 gives 10. Awesome! See you next time, phonmaticians, and stay smart!